I was about to turn off the light to my room. Guys, there's no power. There's nothing. Look, there's no clock. The TV is over there. The clock is right there. Everything is off. What are we gonna do? It's so scary. Look. Here's a light. Here's a light. Here's my dad. Watch. Wait, let me turn this off. It's so scary.
Wow.
What happened? Why did the power go out? Here, charge your phone. Well, yours is already charged. I said charge your phone. Like if we have power, like everything changes.
Ay, Dios mío.
I literally was about to turn off the light in my room when we have no power. Why did the power go out?
It's Brenda.
It's Deborah. I knew it.
Mira, y allá está, sí tiene luz.
Oh.
Allá, cruza la calle.
Those are her outside lights, Dodo. Those are her dang solar theme things. You're so funny. Now I'm not gonna give you the light. No, you have to figure your way out to the darkness. Go get it. Oh. It's so scary. You can see the candles. I only have a little bit of candle left there. Wait. Oh, those are battery. I was about to say, why are my lights for
Estoy buscando el maíz y no hay nada.
Dad, you can't even cook. Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Lights on. Can this please be not be like, what was it, like 3 years ago?
Oh yeah, 21.
It was 2 years ago?
En febrero, 21, ya 2 years ago.
Dang. It's like a winter storm right now.
That's that long.
It's only 31 degrees. 2 years ago, we were like in 5 degrees. Why did it turn off the power? Oh, heck no. Dang, it's so dark. You guys can't even see. I'm not even going to show y'all. You can't even see. Why did it turn off our power? I was just about to film a TikTok. The Wi-Fi's not working. Whoop-de-doo. I'm going to ask Nene if they have power. Why they cut us off? Do they not like East Dallas? Well, that's not fair. They do have power. You're trying to turn off the light in the bathroom?
Es que estaba usando con tu mamá y no quería apagar la luz del baño ya.
Nana said they have power. Lucky you. Well, now what? I was about to film a YouTube video. I was about to film a TikTok video. Nana said, new YouTube video. And I told her I'm filming right now. Gosh, tell your girlfriend to stop messaging you.
¡Híjole!
I'm not gonna be able to watch the novela.
Ay, sí.
You watch 2, right?
Sí.
He watches 2 novelas and he cannot watch them because there is no power.
Ay, Dios mío.
I don't watch no shows. Well, I was watching Jersey Shore.
María, focar por la novela.
Then you're not gonna be able to watch the novela. Well, we should call Nene and then tell her to put I'll put her on FaceTime so you can watch it on her TV.
No.
I'll just come up with an update. Maybe we'll get power, maybe we won't get power.
Yeah.
Hopefully we do, but I'll come back with an update. I need to save my battery on my camera. Maybe Friday.
58, I think.
Maybe like Friday or Saturday I'll go to Best Buy and get a new battery so I can have it as a backup.
¿Qué te iba a decir?
Dang. Who is that?
Oye.
It's my novio.
Dale pues, piensas que está oscuro.
Okay, well why do you get to have girlfriends and I can't have a boyfriend?
Ya, cálmate. Son and so. You said Ponle mi novela.
Oh yeah. Yay, we have light.
Ponle mi
Yes. So we're watching like the new MLB rules that they're gonna enforce for this year. But then the lights came on. But then the Encore kept calling us for like updates. And they called and it said at 8 o'clock. And then they called again and they said at 8:30. And then they called again the last time it said 10:30. Liars! It's 8:13. Now I can film the TikToks. And especially it's gonna be extra good because my dad's about to watch his novelas.
Yes.
So the TikToks are gonna be extra good. Once the lights go out again, what's it be like last year? They're only gonna leave it on for like 30 minutes and then they're gonna cut it off for like 2 hours again. Oops. There.
Chihuahua, break.
I did it on purpose.
Yeah.
Are they gonna say that we already have power? Pause.
This is Encore with an important update. Encore has made repairs to facilities in your area. Additional repairs may be needed.
It better not go off again. I'm gonna call them and go off on them. Guys, so I wake up and my dad tells me that it's white outside and I was like, really? And then look. Cool. Well, it's not as bad as 2 years ago, but still. It's ice. But it's more ice though. It's so cool. The road is like icy. Usually like on the where the little driveway connects to the street.
No, it's just a part of that.
Melting.
But yeah, where the water wanted to, run.
And I was gonna go to the rancho to get stuff to make tacos al pastor. Cool. You wanna go build a snowman? No, I said you wanna go build a snowman. We can go get snow from the street, like go up and down the street and then put it on our yard. When I went to go get mom, there was like 3 accidents. I was going like 25 miles an hour.
Yeah.
That's why it took us so long.
That's okay.
Bro, I was like, heck no, I want to go faster because I want to get home.
Eso no sé lo que hay una que se llama sopa, que coma sopa calientita. Oh my god.
What's that, ketchup?
No, entonces,
What are you making with tomato sauce?
mucho de sopa.
Oh. I'm going to eat the rest of the huevo con tortillas. Oh my gosh, I look wretched. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Huh?
No tienes vergüenza.
No, I don't. I'm not embarrassed. What are you watching now? More gangster movies? Your movie's too loud. Why does everybody have their stuff so loud? She called him her ex-boyfriend's name. I look like alfalfa with my hair like this. Guys, my mom made sopa. The fideo is delicious with some garlic bread. And she's eating chips. She didn't eat her own food. This is already my second bowl. It's super cold, like 20 degrees right now. It's not really snow no more, it's ice. I wanna go outside and get like a top or something and slide down Max's driveway. You wanna do it?
No.
You guys suck. I told Dad too.
You.
You work in the cold. So you do have warm clothes. Oh my gosh. You said last night when I picked you up that it was worse than this weather right now. It's gonna be so much fun. The rest of this? There's no more? The whole pot? You put the whole pot in the microwave? Guys, I want to go outside and sit in here and like slide down the driveway. Somebody doesn't want to go outside with me. I need somewhere to film it, obviously.
Okay.
Come on, it's only gonna be for a little bit. You really don't even need, you just need some sweatpants. You just need like some sweatpants and a hoodie. That was funny, I shouldn't have recorded it. She was getting cramps on her toes again. I literally had to sit on her feet. Come on. I don't know if I'll fit in this though.
No, no usar eso.
Why? That's only in case I fall. At least I'll fall in the side of the basket. Come on, I gotta make the video fun somehow. Come on, before it gets dark outside. it's cold. Yo, this is all ice. It's not even snow. This is my mom's room right here. Right there. It's probably in the restroom. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's starting to melt. But it's still, oh shit. It still be slow freezing. She's changing. Oh, there's more up here. More icicles. Like 2 years ago, but 2 years ago was even worse than this. This is nothing. Whoops. This is nothing compared to 2 years ago. You gotta be careful when you walk down here. Oh!
Mire, me voy a caer.
You think you will fall? Oh my gosh. How are we gonna get over here?
Mira, eso es puro hielo, mija. Eso no es nieve.
I know it's not ice. Here, hold it so I can hold your hand.
Mire, eso no es nieve, mija. Me vas a matar a mí aquí. Una nalgada que me dé aquí voy a caer. No, mire, yo no voy. No.
Okay, let me do it right here. Here, go up there. Go up there.
¿Dónde vas a ir?
Go. I'm gonna do it right here. See how it looks. Go up there. I don't want you to fall.
Dame la cámara.
Go up there, cause that's ice right here. Yeah, right there. I almost fell myself. Don't hold it like that. You don't know how to hold the camera. What should I do it? This way, right? Oh, my phone.
Where you going?
My phone.
Oh my god, yo me nervous.
I'm gonna go down the stairs.
¿Y cómo te vas a subir? No, las stairs no. Te lastima la espalda.
No, no.
Ile, las stairs no. Vete por el zacate. Oh my god. Por el zacate ni. Es mucho peso. Vete por el zacate.
Too heavy.
Vete por el zacate.
It's not gonna work on the grass.
It is. Oh my god, yo de loca junto con esta otra loca.
What's this? What's this?
Allá con Max.
Well, I'm trying, but I need something more flat. This is from one of Keel's boxes.
Okay, let's go find that one. Oh,
I think your
quita.
your basket would
Estás bien
have worked.
cucaracha. Quita la tapadera de la trash can.
You can't take those off.
Sí. Anyway, I cannot go there, mija.
I know, you can record it from over here.
Dios mío. Yo no voy a cruzar esa cosa tan fea
It's
que
not
está ahí.
icy right here.
Ah, ¿cómo que no va a
It's
estar ahí?
not.
Sí.
It's not. It's not.
A ver, quítate el calcetín.
It's not like this. Heck no, I'm not gonna take off my sock. Are you crazy?
Yeah, I'm crazy because I'm here with you.
I made it.
Stop this thingy,
We gotta
Martín.
go find something else. There.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys. So we found this. We make the tamales. And then this we took.
No.
Why? Our boss let us borrow it for the tamales.
No, pues da.
Well, the warehouse.
Dale.
The warehouse is not there no more, so we can still keep it.
Estás loca.
Which one should we try first? This one?
Yeah.
It's not icy. There's ice over there.
Oh my god, pues dale para allá.
There's a corner right here.
Oh my god. Y me voy a caer.
No, stay there, but you can.
¿Y cómo voy a recordar? Toma, me agarro aquí de la toca a tu papá.
No, you're gonna fall.
Toma, agarra esto.
You're gonna fall.
Agárrame la cámara. Dios mío. Después sigue una niña loca.
You're gonna fall.
Uy, te una vez ya.
This is her problem for having a YouTube daughter. Please be careful, lady.
No tan caso.
Oh my gosh.
Agarre
I
palo.
have to walk like this.
Mira esa.
Yeah, I was looking at it, but I think it's too long. Oh, it has ice on it, so it'll be perfect. Here, stand right there.
Te tengo que agarrar.
There's ice right there
Me voy
too.
para allá. A ver.
I don't need you to
De acá de arriba.
I still need you to buy me McDonald's.
Ah, estás bien, güey. Se acabó matando. Wait.
Mom, there's ice. Mom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get on the grass. The grass has more cushion.
stupid. You need somebody pushing you. Ay, sigues jugando como yo no tengo frío.
I'm stuck.
Does not work. Semejante elefante ahí. Te vas a madrazo, güey.
Oh, I can't get off. I can't get off.
Te vas a partir la madre. Ey, usa la otro. Dios mío, esa niña está bien loca. Ya nomás. El plan de las tortillas.
Oh, it's perfect.
¡Hija! Te vas a partir la jeta. Oh my God, that's crazy. Oh cielos.
I couldn't stop.
Come on, mija. Oh, Dios mío, esta niña está loca.
Stop. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna cry. I couldn't stop.
Y los sin guantes, hija.
Look at my hand.
Súbete, zipper.
That was so much fun.
Okay, one more time.
I hit my booty on the curb.
Ay, no, mira el tragado que te hice con la pierna ahí.
That was so much fun.
Fun, y mañana, mami, ponme Pix en mi espalda. Ponme alcohol. Ya te mojaste las nalgas ahí.
I did.
No la pongas chueca, pon la derecha. O tú vete derecha. Let it go, let it go.
Why am I going that way?
You Elliot. Come on.
Go right there.
Te me matas, mi amor, ahí. Oh, Dios mío, esta niña, que Dios la bendiga. Está bien loca. Y yo junto con ella. Ya se pasaron los 5 segundos, acá en el frío.
We should have brought the girls.
I know.
I want to get some on my phone. Can you do both?
Ponte el gorro.
And then fit my chongo.
Pues quítate el chongo.
Huh?
Quítate tu chongo. Ah, ya te perdiste. Oh, ya estás sentada.
I broke the ice. I broke the ice.
Dale, mi reina.
Okay, let's go. Clear code.
Anaco, tú estás mojada tu pantalón, hija. Está muy frío para ti.
That's so much fun. You want to get with me?
¿Qué o no?
Why? It's so much fun.
¿En qué año estamos?
2023. Another snowstorm like 2021.
21, ¿eso de tú?
No, it was 2 years ago.
Oh, ya.
Okay, one more and then we're going inside.
Oh, my God. Ya pesco paleta. Ya están todas las nalgas mojadas acá. Pero más traes una nalga.
Oh my gosh.
La una es mojada, otra es legal.
Last one.
Please, porque se me congelaron mis dedos.
Oh, I have ice on here. Rock and roll.
Rock and roll. Ready for rock and roll.
Rock and
Woo! Trancazo que te metes ahí, güey.
going to the same spot right there.
Agarra la nieve con la mano, baby.
I can't.
Oh, se me fue uno chueco, mija.
Huh?
Está todo chueco aquí en tu teléfono.
I keep going to the same spot where the ice is already open. Okay, let's go. That was so much
Chequea
fun.
primero antes de meternos para dentro lo calentito.
That was so much fun. Okay, it's good.
Ya ves, ya viste. Thank you, mami, for
Thank
that.
you.
Thank you, Mama. Yeah, thank you, Mami, por tu gran idea.
I was about to, oh yeah, this one worked perfectly.
Tu madre es una
Look
idiota.
at my butt.
Tiene unas ideas muy grandotas. Ay, me cayó en la cabeza. Ten.
Thank you, Mom, for filming it. Okay, now you gotta hold my hand.
Me tengo que desnudar ahora.
Yeah, I don't know why you put on so much clothes. Like if you're going to work or something.
Ay, sí. Mira, ¿y el frío que está haciendo acá afuera?
Yeah, I'm the one who got wet with freezing cold water. That was so much fun though.
O sea, Carmelera no.
I've been wanting to do that 2 years ago, but it wasn't like very as icy. 2 years ago it was more like snow. And right now it's like ice. Please be careful. I don't need you falling. I need you to still buy me McDonald's. Now you gotta hold on to me. You wanna leave it out here?
Yeah.
It's wet. No, it's because it's wet. That was so much fun.